They behave differently depending on the circumstances you place them in. And so what happens when you place them in a system where not all of the data is trusted? And that's more or less where we started when we began doing research into the field of AI security. And what we found very quickly was not only is it an issue when systems are able to access data that the user interacting with the language model shouldn't have access to, say, for instance, like retrieval augmented generation, where you hook it up to like knowledge graphs or your databases, and you don't have the same access controls that you apply to the AI that you apply to the users. But also, let's say you hook it up into an application, it only has access to the user's data. It seems like everything should be great, except traditional application components, when they're running within the context of a particular user, they're safe. They act the same way every time. LLMs, though, are agents of the inputs that they receive. So if there's some other part of the application generating text data, let's say it's like my profile bio, for instance, and that somehow meanders its way into the context window of a language model running in a different user session, it's not that user's language model anymore. That's mine. And so all of a sudden, data that you would otherwise trust, because this is a component running within that user's session, is now at risk because that component is being controlled by a threat actor.